Hey, I'm Justin Bieber. I Heart My Dog Sing on iHeartRadio.
Gotta change my answering machine. And now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walked out the door. It's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around my head down. I'm so over being you, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs. So done with wishing you were still here. And I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Gotta change that calendar I have. It's Mark July 15th. Because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary.